Hello and welcome to my Easy Cooking Kitchen, or ECK for short. Before we get to this month's video, make sure you like and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss out any new videos coming out. This month I have a new family favorite for you, a gluten-free rice pepper Bourekas. So let's go. Here's what you'll need. If you have it, I'd go for feta cheese, since cottage is a bit runny. But we're using what we have at home, so cottage it is. In a bowl, add the cream cheese, cottage and shredded cheese, the egg, and mix till combined. Now, I prefer using a damp towel with the rice peppers, but you can use the soaking method if you like. I have the small sized rice pepper sheets, so I'm using 2 at a time. If you have the bigger ones, you can use 1. Make sure the sheets are wet enough. Place a spoonful of the filling in the middle and fold it tight. Like so. Place them on a baking tray or air fryer tray like I did. Now brush with some egg wash, sprinkle the sesame seeds, and into the air fryer for 28 minutes on 160 or 30 minutes on 180 in the oven. Let it cool for a bit before digging in. Shh, listen. That's it, the Bourekas are done. Let me know in the comments below if you made these and how much did you eat in one sitting. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, don't forget that bell for notifications, and share it with your friends. You can follow this channel on Instagram, but most importantly, bon appetit!